Your apartment is secretly draining energy and your wallet. But today I'm showing you 5 DIY upgrades you can do in minutes that instantly cut energy use. Without calling your landlord. These are cheap, renter-friendly, and make a huge difference. Let's jump in. Number 1. Weather strip your windows. If you feel a cold draft or hear outdoor noise clearly, you're paying extra to heat or cool the outside. Just grab a roll of peel and stick weather stripping. It's under 10 bucks. Clean the frame, stick it on, and boom, instant insulation. This upgrade alone can lower energy use immediately, especially in older apartments. Number 2. Smart LED bulbs. They use up to 80% less energy than old bulbs and last for years. But here's the bonus. You can automate them so lights turn off when you leave the room, dim at night, or run on schedules. Swap the bulbs you use most. Kitchen, bathroom, bedroom. It's a one-time upgrade that saves energy forever. Number 3. A low-flow shower head. Most apartments waste a ton of hot water. A low-flow head reduces water heating energy instantly without feeling like a weak shower. Plus, it screws on in under a minute. Totally renter-friendly. Number 4. Insulate your hot water pipes. If your pipes run through cold spaces like under sinks or inside cabinets, the heat escapes before the water even reaches you. These foam sleeves cost almost nothing and pop right on. This upgrade pays back instantly, especially if you take warm showers or wash dishes often. And number 5. Thermal curtains. They block heat in the summer and keep warmth in during the winter, reducing how often your AC or heater kicks in. They're also renter-proof and look great. These 5 DIY upgrades take just minutes but cut energy use the very same day. If you found this helpful, hit like so the algorithm knows we did something right, and subscribe for more smart, sustainable apartment hacks. Thanks for watching.